Hey, you ever felt like maybe you've been here before? Lived another life, maybe? Probably have. Just don't know it. Well, this song kind of reminds me of that. Gangster in 1934. There was drunky wallows, pimps and hoes, and all the men, women and kids. They must get out the way, 'cause I just left the town with all you little. I'm on a pink carnation and a pinstripe suit. I hopped a big board with some two-tone shoes, and I'm already gone. I love the pool of blood and sorrow. I've got machine gun blues. Well, I'll be out of here before the break of dawn. Hit the highway, smoke a big cigar, stop, bury the cash, and get some more. There's only one thing on my mind, is making it across that old state line with the hell, with the bullets waiting there for me. But I'm already gone. I let the blood and sorrows. I've got machine gun blues. Already gone. 'Cause my life will soon be through. I've got machine gun blues. Got public enemy #1, and I'm sorry for all the things that I've done. And deep cross paths, it's nothing personal. Gone. I live the life of pure destruction. I've got machine gun blues. I'm already gone. Well, my life will soon be through. I've got machine gun blues. Already gone. I live the life of pure destruction. I've got machine gun blues. Already gone. 'Cause my life will soon be through. I've got machine gun blues. Thanks, Mike Ness.